Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and mouth-watering coconut and vegetable fried rice. Let's get started. I'll start by adding in about 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil into my dry pot, and when it heats up a bit, I'll add some onions and fry. After frying the onions for about 2 minutes, I'll then add my washed rice. I'll stir and fry for about 2 minutes also, or 3 minutes. Add some salt to taste. Next, I'll add my homemade coconut milk. You can also use store-bought milk, coconut milk. I have a video of how to make the coconut milk in my channel. Do check it out. I'll also add some chicken stock. You can use meat stock. I'll stir together. And then season it with some seasoning cubes. I'm using chicken cubes here. Curry powder. And also add some fresh pepper. Add according to your tolerance. I'll also top it some water, just a little water, because the coconut milk and the chicken stock I used will not be able to cook it. Then I'll gently stir together, cover and allow to cook until the rice is well cooked and the liquid dried. After cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes, this is what we have. The rice is cooked enough, but there's still some liquid in it, so I'll still cover it and allow it to dry totally. And while that is going on, we'll now fry our vegetables. In another dry pot, I'll also add in some coconut oil. I'm using gizzard for this, so I'll first of all fry the gizzard with this coconut oil. This is chicken gizzard, which I've already cooked behind camera. I have different recipe videos of gizzard. You can also check that out in my channel. The gizzard is well fried now. I don't want it too dry, so we take it out and continue with frying the vegetables. And to fry the vegetables, I just added the ginger and garlic paste into the oil, the same oil I used in frying the gizzard. Fry that a bit, then add some chopped onions. After frying the onions for about a minute or two, I'll go in with some green peas. Some cut carrots. I'll also add some sweet corn. After frying the veggies for a few minutes, I'll sprinkle some salt to taste. Next, I'll add a teaspoon of mixed spices. Add any spice of your choice, and also a teaspoon of dry pepper because the pepper in the rice is not enough, so I need it more spiced. And lastly, I'll add some green peppers and the fried gizzard. Mix everything together. Now that our fried veggies and gizzard is ready, and the coconut rice is also ready, we are going to mix the two together. Look at that beauty. It's already yummy. Please, treasures, do me a favor. If you have not liked the video yet, please click the like button. Click on that thumb there to give me or the video a thumbs up. Thank you for doing that. And after watching the video, please help me also to share to your friends and families. Thank you for doing that. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you'll be giving this a try. I don't know the last time you ate coconut rice, but try it this weekend and thank me later. And here we have our fried coconut rice, looking so delicious and mouth-watering. Isn't that so? Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.